What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a PCV delete on the G. You know, I'm doing this out of my knowledge, out of what my boys told me. So basically, that hole right there, this hole, that hole, and these two are getting blocked. So I'm gonna do that right quick for you boys, and we'll be right back. So what you're gonna need for that is some vacuum caps. You know, block them off. I already took mine off. So I'm gonna block them right now. Well, they're blocked now, boys. You see, put that. Block the one on the intake. Put a little clamp on it because it was a little loose, so it's tight now. Block that one down there. Now with these, I think I'm gonna cut it because it's a little bit too long, and then I'm gonna add a T-fitting to add the air filter. I'm gonna do that right now for you guys. Alright, man, so this is what I got. Blocked this one. I got a pretty big one, but I put that clamp in, so it's pretty tight, it's not gonna move. Put this one down here. You know, same thing here, same thing here. I'm gonna make this line shorter so my fucking filters aren't up here. I don't know, maybe like around like right here, so I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna do that right quick. Well, there you have it, boys. Everything's plugged up. It's 4. Filters are on. EPS Tuning sells a kit for $150, but all this literally cost me around 40 bucks. So it's much cheaper and it's just really easy to do. And it's good for your motor, guys. Alright, so guess that's a finished product. Tell me if you see anything wrong. I mean, I think this will hold tight because, yo, this shit literally doesn't move. Like, that shit's gonna stay there tight with those clamps. I did put some in these though.